Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to express the function in the form f of g of h. For the function r of x is equal to the square root of x minus 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to work our way outwards from our inner function, right? So we have f of g of h. This is equivalent to f of g of h of x. What is the innermost function in this composition? Well, let's start with this square root of x. Let's say h of x equals the square root of x. Therefore, we can have what's inside this square root as h of x minus 1, right? And I'm actually going to write this because it's going to get a little bit complicated, right? So this is equal to h of x minus 1. So if this is what's inside the square root is g of h of x, being h of x minus 1, then g of x, replace the h of x with just an x, is equal to x minus 1. Therefore, this is equal to the square root of g of h of x. And for this to be equal to f of g of h of x, f is taking on this value, which we find here. F of x is just the square root of x, right? Because taking the square root of it is the same as doing it with the function, which means the composition of f, g, and h as given here will result in r of x as we would expect.